Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a kind of green look, an olive look, using the same palette as I've been using in my other videos, and I'm using the Jane Charles palette. That's the only palette that I have that have bright colors, and the shadows are very nice. So I'm just gonna do a bunch of looks, I guess, with this palette because I can't go out and buy new palettes. I'm stuck at home, so let's get started, okay? So I already did my eyebrows and primed my lid. I used the Anastasia, the same routine that I've been using on my other videos. I used the concealer to prime my lids, and I set it with the Airspun translucent powder. So, oh, and I finally found the little thing that has the names for the shadows. So now I'll be able to tell you what shadows I've been using. Okay, so let's see. So I want to do like an olive look. Well, I'm gonna try to do an olive look. And I'm just putting the paper right there. Good. Okay. So I'm just gonna get a blending brush. Let me see. This is from Morphe, from one of the collections. Let me zoom you guys in a little bit closer so you guys can see what I'm doing. So something like this, I'm gonna use this brush just to put a transition shade. Let me see which one to use. I'm gonna go with Punch Me. That's weird. Should I? Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna put that on my crease. Just to make the shadows blend nice. Not have any harsh line, but you know, at the same time, if you ever have a harsh line, just go back with a clean blending brush and you just like buff it out so it won't look too harsh. And with this shade, I'm not packing too much of it. I'm just layering one layer, just blending it out. Trying to diffuse it so it won't be the concentration of this eye look. Okay, just like that. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna get a smaller brush. This is a Naked brush, Naked Heat from the palette Naked Heat. This one, I'm gonna get it. Comes with double ends. I'm gonna take this one. I'm gonna grab the shadow Daddy. And I'm just gonna pack that shadow in my outer corner. Just gonna shake off any extra material on this. I'm just gonna pat it outside here. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm just patting it on the outside. Try not to, because we're gonna put another color on the middle of the lid, so try not to get it there. At the same time, if you do, don't worry, because you could always kind of like erase it with the concealer. Like that. And then we're gonna grab a little bit, and we're gonna put it in the inner corner as well. Gonna do the same thing to the other eye. I'll put it on my outer corner. patted it. I'm just patting the color right in there. Not really doing much. Patting it in, moving it around. Okay, and I'm gonna apply it some in my inner corner. Okay, so we already got where we wanted it to be. So all we have to do is put some more, add some more color to make it pop more. So we're just gonna pat it on. Not really doing much, just pat it. Just to make the color more vibrant. I'm still thinking of what color to put it in the middle, but I'm just gonna go with whatever. I don't know if I want to do a yellow or like a glittery one, but we'll see. Now here I'm just going back and forth just to deepen that color right in there. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. Hold on. Just had to do something on the camera. It was bugging me. Alright, so I'm just gonna add more color to this side as well. I'm just gonna pat more color in here to make it more green, I guess. Remember, just shake off any extra material so you won't have any fallout. Same thing here, going back and forth. I don't want to connect it. Try my best not to connect it. It's looking good so far, right? Just put some here. Perfect. Okay. So what I want to do next, I want to grab a little bit of concealer. I'm using my Anastasia one. I'm using like a very small flat brush. I'm just gonna pat a little bit on that middle of my lid so we could pack the other shade. So I'm just patting it in like this. Okay, and I'm using my finger to make it blend a little bit better with the other shades that I have there. I feel if you use a brush, the concealer is gonna lose its purpose. So I'm gonna grab a flat brush and I'm gonna pack that color that I want, which the color that I want to use is B. So it's this bright yellow. Let's see if it shows. Can you see that? Pretty, right? It's a pretty yellow. So I'm just patting the color. I'm not really doing anything else to it. I'm just patting it down. Nice, right? So you see how it was very nice. I love it. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye. I'm gonna pick up a little bit more concealer and I'm gonna pat it right in there. I'm using my finger again. And if you grab too much before you do anything, the material you have here, wipe it on a piece of paper. And then you can go back in again. Actually, let me do it with this finger, if I can see. So it should look like this. Okay. We're gonna grab that yellow again. Shake off anything extra on the brush and just pat the color in. Just how I'm doing it. I'll grab a little bit more. Now we're gonna grab the same brush that we used to place our transition, and I'm just gonna clean the top up here, buffing it out basically, so it could all blend together. Look at that, looking nice. So what I want to do, I want to kind of make the green a little bit darker. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab Daddy again and try to make that green a little bit darker on the outside here. Try not to touch the yellow part. Okay, sorry about that. My camera was heating up. I don't like this camera, but whatever. So yeah, I only did this eye. I just darkened the green a little bit, and I'm going to do it to this eye as well. Just gonna dark that green a little bit more. Gonna grab the blending brush a little bit and kind of use the top part here. Okay. No, so now you could repeat this same step for your lower lash line, but for me, I'd rather not do that because every time I apply shadow on my lower lash line, the dust gets in my eye and then my eye gets irritated, and I don't like that. I don't like when the dust goes in my eye. It's so uncomfortable. I don't know how people does it, like I cannot. Okay, so now we're done with the color. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna do a wing liner. Now for me, like I said before, I cannot do a wing liner on camera, so I have to do it off camera. And at the same time, I'm gonna apply my lashes, and then I'm gonna do my face off camera as well. Then I'm gonna come back to show you how it looks. So be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I finished doing my face. I did added a little pop of shimmer in the inner corner. I used the shade Face on the palette just to give it a little bit more of a pop. But yeah, this is the look. I did my wing liner and I applied my lashes. These are from Ardell, the wispy kind. So I did that one. I hope you guys enjoy this look, and I'll see you guys on my next video.